This video is for you if you are serious about turning your internship into a full-time job. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to crack internship, please watch that first. Getting an internship itself is tough in this market, so everyone who already got internship will try hard to convert it into a full-time offer. However, only a few will succeed in securing it. I have managed interns at several companies and have seen what works. It's all about impressing your team and showing off your unique skills. Without any delay, let's dive into game-changing tips which will help you to secure your full-time offer. Oh, wait. Don't ever hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you did not like the content so far, not a problem. There is much more interesting stuff coming in the future, so you can wait till then. Now, let's get into business. First things first, you need to hit the ground running as soon as you join. I mean, you should literally start running. Internships are short. You need to show you can deliver high quality code without much guidance in the first 3 months. The faster you are on board, the more time you will have to impress your team later. Don't be shy at all about asking for help. You are responsible to unblock yourself shamelessly. This means asking for assistance as soon as you realize something isn't a quick fix, especially at the beginning. Your mentors are there to help you, and showing that you can recognize when you need help is a good thing. Focus on getting your code out faster. The more you code, the faster you will get the hang of things. Plus, project progress and code output are crucial for your performance reviews. So make it your goal to keep that code flowing. This will show your team that you are very serious and capable, and also you are ready to take more responsibility. The second tip here is about quality of work. You need to focus on reducing the number of iterations your code needs before it ships. At the beginning of your internship, don't worry too much about this. But by the end, your code should land with little to no feedback from your peers. This shows growth and your ability to learn and adapt. You also need to prevent code review feedback by thoroughly testing every code change before submitting it for review. This not only saves time but also demonstrates your commitment to quality and your proactive approach. Keep your changes very short, ideally less than 200 lines of code per PR. This makes easier to test and deploy your code. Smaller changes are easier for your reviewers to handle, and they show that you can manage your work effectively. This habit will help you build a reputation for reliability and precision. The next important tip here is to communicate and take initiatives. Broadcast your updates on your work on weekly basis. People should know when you hit milestones on your project plan. Keeping everyone in the loop shows that you are on top of your work and makes it easier for your team to support you. And don't be afraid to communicate in group chats to either unblock yourself or explain changes that you have made. It's always better to over-communicate. This shows that you are engaged and very proactive. These two qualities are the ones managers love to see in you. And also propose improvements to the original project plan if you see any. Your project is probably something your manager did not think it from the start about every detail. Taking initiative can be a major green flag in your performance review. Showing that you can think ahead and offer valuable suggestions makes you a standout intern, and that's exactly what you need to secure that full-time offer. The next tip here is about feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback in your weekly one-on-ones. Focus on the opportunities to improve. This shows that you are eager to learn and grow, which is exactly what managers want to see in you. There will be something called mid-review where you will get feedback from your peers. So pay close attention to where you are lagging and act fast to improve on that. Quick improvement on the feedback is a sign that you are going in a right path. Last but not the least, don't stress out and enjoy internship process. Internships are like a learning experience. The more you enjoy it, the better you will perform. Remember, confidence and positive attitude can go along the way in securing that full-time offer. Good luck with your internships. Hope that you learn a ton in the coming summer. All the very best.